Good morning, class 12th Commerce, subject Economics, chapter number 7, Poverty, lecture number 3. In this lecture, we'll discuss some of the measures to enhance the quality of life of the poor and to remove the poverty. In the previous two lectures, we discussed about the types of poverty, causes of poverty. So now let's begin the measures to remove poverty. See, it's not necessary that you have to cram the points from your book. See, this is the basic questions and you can create your own answer. But your answer should be irrelevant. It's not like that you are creating stories in this answer. But yes, if your point is relevant and not given in your book, you will get the marks. But you have to write the authentic answers, relevant answers. See, combating poverty through GDP growth. First point is combating poverty through GDP growth. In one of our causes, we discussed that first reason of poverty is slow GDP growth, low level of national product. So if this is the cause, so what will be the remedy? To increase the GDP growth. Fine. So, GDP growth is an ultimate solution to the problem of poverty. When the pace of GDP growth is accelerated, new opportunities of employment are generated. More and more workers will find employment in farms and factories. Now see, greater the employment, that means more inclusive would be the growth process, and that implies less poverty. Then comes fiscal and legislative measures. Now see, fiscal measures, fiscal policies, they are made by the government. Fine. So, fiscal measures refer to the policy of taxation and subsidies. So, if government provides subsidies to the poor people, to the farmers, there will be a scope to reduce the poverty. The government places greater emphasis on progressive tax structure. What is progressive tax structure? Progressive tax means higher tax on the rich while poor are exempted, or poor people will pay just a nominal tax. So this is what the progressive tax structure. So government will follow the progressive tax structure. Now tax receipts of the government are used to subsidize purchases by the poor section of the society. That means government को जितना revenue होता है tax subsidies से, वो उसके बदले में क्या दे देगी poor people को subsidies. Subsidy is offered on item like coarse cloth and coarse grains, the basic needs of people. You will still find that there are some ration shops जिस पे BPL families को rations जो होते हैं I don't think कि free में मिलते हैं, कम price में मिलते हैं I think वहाँ पर. So they get the ration at lower prices, lower than the market prices. So this is the initiative by the government. Although they don't get the good quality of ration at that place. Second is legislative measures. Legislative measures means some of the laws which the government can make. See, legislative measures refer to the Minimum Wages Act, making it mandatory for the employers to offer the stipulated minimum wages to the employees. What Minimum Wages Act says? Minimum Wages Act says that the employer has to give minimum wages to its employees. Fine. Legislative measures also include the policy of price floor. We did the price floor section in our class 11th. Okay. So this refers to the stipulated minimum price that must be offered to the farmers for the purchase of their output. Laws like right to education is yet another example of legislative measure to enhance the quality of life of the poor segment of the society. Minimum Wages Act हो गया, Payment of Wages Act हो गया. There are several labor laws. Fine. Employees Compensation Act हो गया. So there are many labor laws which are initiated to support the poor people or to support those employees which do not get the sufficient salary, which do not get the sufficient money from their employer. What happens? Employer जो होता है, he or she exploits the employees. एम्प्लॉय से ज़्यादा काम करवा लेते हैं, सैलरी नहीं देते हैं. एम्प्लॉय से ज़्यादा काम करवा लेते हैं और सैलरी उसकी हाफ भी नहीं देते हैं. आर यू गेटिंग दिस पॉइंट? सो टू प्रोटेक्ट द राइट ऑफ द एम्प्लॉयज देयर आर सेवरल लेबर लॉज विच आर written in our act and they protect the interest of employees. Price floor we did in our class 11th. These are some of the measures, legislative measures to control poverty. Then comes, this is very simple, through population control, educating the people, educating the population. It is requirement of the era that population should be controlled. Fine. Indian experience shows that increase in national income fails to be reflected in the quality of life of the people owing to the rapid increase in population. Per capita income continues to be low because population is rising to neutralize the rise in national income. Fine. Poverty can be removed only if growth rate of population is moderated to that increase in GDP is translated to increase in per capita GDP. So this is the point that population should be controlled, GDP should be increased, legislative measures, fiscal measures. Okay, these were some of the technical perspective. Now, other measures to improve the situation of the society and to remove the poverty is development of agriculture. Every one of us knows that maximum population of India is engaged in agriculture. So if we improve the condition of agriculture, definitely somewhere we'll be able to remove the poverty. आप एग्रीकल्चर में सब्सिडीज दो, इरिगेशन फैसिलिटीज जो हैं या जो सीड्स हैं, HYV सीड्स हैं, उनको सब्सिडाइज रेट पे दो. गिव फार्मर्स दी फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस. ओके, लैंडलेस फार्मर शुड बी गिवन लैंड. दिस इज द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर. स्टेबिलिटी इन प्राइस लेवल. स्टेबिलिटी इन प्राइस लेवल मीन्स व्हाट? सी, prices are rising. Fine. If prices continues to rise, the standard of living of people will continue to destroy, that will continue to deteriorate. Now, if price will keep on rising, there is no scope of improvement. There is no scope of stability. So, price can be stabilized when production of food grains and other goods of mass consumption is increased. When goods of mass consumption are distributed to the poor through fair price shops, ration shops. ठीक है, जो ऐसा होता है ना कि some people they have BPL cards, below poverty line card. India में तो it is pathetic situation that even the rich middle class people and the rich section of the society, they do have BPL. This is something very pathetic. Fine, some rich class people, higher middle class people, they also use that BPL card to take the ration from the ration shops. So, and because of this, poor actually, those who are poor, they don't get the rations. So this is what known as poor implementation of policies. Government has formulated the policy but forgot to implement them properly. Third points come, eradication of unemployment. Unemployment हटा दो, सबको रोजगार दे दो. जब लोग खुद कमाएंगे, खुद खाएंगे तो पॉवर्टी कम हो जाएगी, खत्म हो जाएगी. बट इज इट पॉसिबल? नो, नो. बिकॉज what happens? These employers, they don't pay the wages. Workers are working day and night, but they don't get the wages. And you know, sometime what happens? There is female staff working in the factories, working in the organizations. So females still can't raise voice because they have to look after their family. They can't raise voice, they can't sue their employer, and this is the reason employer takes benefit of that. And this is where the country is lacking behind. So eradication of unemployment, special measures should be taken to eradicate unemployment, underemployment, and disguised unemployment. Opportunities of employment should be given in rural areas. Cottage industry, construction activities should be encouraged in rural areas. Then comes labor intensive technology. See, ये चीज़ें सिर्फ पढ़ने में अच्छी लगती है कि लेबर इंटेंसिव टेक्नोलॉजी ले लो, यूज मोर ऑफ लेबर देन ऑफ मशीनरी, बट डू यू थिंक इज दैट रियली पॉसिबल? If we want to become a developed country, is it possible to use labor intensive technology as much as possible? No. Because no doubt labor works better than machines, but time consumes more time, and आजकल time किसी के पास नहीं है. So ठीक है, it is the point given in our syllabus, given in our point, we are reading it from past many years, so you have to study it also, but this is not the practical point. Fine. So labor intensive technology says what? That India should adopt the labor intensive technology of production. This will raise the employment level and reduce the poverty. Then comes provision for minimum needs of the poor. Government should take appropriate measures to meet the minimum needs of the poor, such as supply of drinking water, provisions of primary health centers, primary educations. Public sector should allocate more and more funds for this purpose. See, what happens if the minimum needs of the poor will be satisfied, somewhere will be able to reduce the poverty. But negative consequences of this will be that our public sector, our government will suffer from the deficit. Negative deficit. ठीक है? Expenditure will increase. Revenue is less. Definitely government has to suffer from the deficit. So development of agriculture, stability in the price level, eradication of unemployment, labor intensive techniques of production, provisions for minimum needs of the poor, these are what? These some of the measures to enhance the quality of life of the poor. See, provision of income generating assets can go a long way in eradicating poverty. I tell you in this chapter, page number, in my book it is page number 147. I don't know आपकी बुक में क्या पेज नंबर है. उसमें देखो आपको कुछ बॉक्सेस गिवन होंगे. इस टॉपिक के साइड में कुछ बॉक्सेस गिवन हैं. That provision of income generating assets and eradication of poverty, please mark it as important. 3 mark question from board perspective. Below this, another box is there. 3 major programs for improving the food and nutrition status of the poor. Please mark it as important. Another important question may come in 3 marks, may come in 1 mark. So these boxes are very important, which are given in your book. Please, while reading the chapter, make sure you are learning. I am not saying reading, you are learning these topics. And in this question, how to eradicate poverty, how to some of the measures to remove poverty. Question can simply be asked like combating poverty by fiscal and legislative measures. So you have to separately explain. If question comes to remove the poverty, measures to remove the poverty, कोई भी 6 point लिखाना. 6th point is special focus on backward region. UP, Bihar, some of the areas of Calcutta, some of the area of Rajasthan, Odisha, they are backward region. So government should invest in these regions to encourage private investment. Then Opportunities for self-employment. See, many, have you heard about IITs? IIT रुड़की, IIT खड़गपुर. ये क्या होता है? ये जो इतना इनका जो नाम है IIT बॉम्बे, इनका नाम किस लिए है? क्योंकि ये लोग जो हैं ये अपने स्टूडेंट्स को सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ देते हैं. Opportunities for self-assessment employment should be further explored. More and more industrial training should be open to impart industrial and entrepreneurial education. Loan should be offered at lower rate of interest for setting up SSIs, small scale industries. Effective PDS. PDS stands for Public Distribution System. Effective PDS must be in place for the supply of food grains and other essentials of life to the BPL population of the country. Food grains and coarse cloth must be provided at subsidized rate through fair price shops under the direct control and supervision of the government. These things are, good to listen, that ration shops kar lo, self-employment and the provision for minimum needs, focus on backward region, labor intensive technology. But you also know that practically होता तो कुछ और ही है. ठीक है, इंडिया जैसी कंट्री से ये चीज़ें इम्प्लीमेंट करना इज अ बिग टास्क इन इटसेल्फ. So these are the measures to remove poverty from the country.